guys, this is Svetlana from Cosplay, and today I'm going to solve the biggest mystery of the cosplay community. The one question that you don't want to let go. Something that apparently gives you nightmares. What is the best glue for fall? Yes, I'm getting this question quite a lot. A lot. A lot. A lot. So today I want to show you which glue I use for building my foam props and costumes. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna build these super cute foam horns. Meh. The glue I use for my projects is called contact cement and it's from Cosplay shop BE. It usually comes in a big 1 liter can and costs around 14 euros. Well, and now I could totally just open the can and apply all the glue, and then I squish everything together and it holds, right? Right? Actually, no. First of all, I like to fill my glue into these little squeeze bottles. Now I'm able to apply it nice and clean and don't need to waste a single brush. If you're from the States, barge cement is a good product too and works pretty much the same way. We also have this one in Germany, but it takes around 10 minutes before the glue works, so I'm not a fan of it. And now let's finally glue these foam pieces together. I just take my bottle and apply the glue roughly on the surface. Then I spread it thin and evenly with a scrap piece of foam. The thinner the coat, the faster it dries and the stronger the bond. Keep in mind to check around the edges and apply more glue if necessary. Next, I repeat the same step for the other side. The glue is ready when it's completely dry. Not tacky, but fully dry. For my glue, this only takes around 1 or 2 minutes. Now I just press both pieces together and let them set for a few more minutes. The connection is extremely strong and it's almost impossible to separate these pieces again. And now let me give you a proper example how this glue works by making these foam horns. I just added a collection of different foam horn patterns to my shop, so please check them out if you need some. Buy my patterns. First, I print out the horns I want, connect the pages and cut out the patterns as well as the registration marks. Then I trace the shapes onto 5mm EVA foam. After cutting all 3 pieces out, this was my result. Just as I showed you before, I apply my contact cement super thin to the edges. The glue actually stops to stick after around 10 or 15 minutes, so I applied only to 2 sides at the same time. Next, I connect them carefully from the top by matching the registration marks left and right. Often one side is longer than the other, so you really need to pull, squeeze and force the material into shape. This works only with soft foam and really strong glue though. As you can see, however, this is how the pattern creates these really nice curves. Finally, I need to squish the left and right side onto each other to close the horn. This is really the hardest step. And done! Yay! Now Midna is a demon doggo. To even out the little bumps, it helps to heat up the foam a bit. If the step opens your seam again, just press them back together. In case you're still not satisfied with the seam quality, just grab a Dremel and sand them smooth. This also helps to get rid of any visible glue. Finally, I prefer to smear some quick seal onto the seams and smooth it out with some water. A similar product is Flexi Filler, it works the same way. Just check out my video description for all the product links. I really hope this video was helpful and will prevent you from sending me more questions about my glue. If you want more tips on how to work with foam, just check out my foam crafting book on cosplay.com. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye!